Our talk today is going to be about pendulums and how to use them to figure out what's going on with our bodies, with our chakras, when things are not going exactly as they should. So, we are all made up of energy, and we have our energy points, our chakras, that if aligned, things should be going the way you want them to go. When they're not aligned, you get hiccups. You have problems, not actual hiccups, but you have problems in getting things that you want completed and done. And you have roadblocks, and you have things are not flowing the way they should. Part of what we need to do, and I don't know if you all do it or not, is meditate. It's cleanse. It's use sage. It's use incense, crystals. Now, a way to be able to tell if we're blocked or not, this is a pendulum. These are some of my pendulums, which I've created for Reiki in a Box, and that's my company, Reiki in a Box. So you'll see some of the things that you can do with the pendulums. I'll be announcing that sometime soon. So I wanted to show you a little bit about how to use a pendulum to help you. So this has been used for thousands and thousands of years. Each pendulum that I create these are attuned to my energy. Once you get them, you have to cleanse them, clear them of everybody's energy whose hands have touched it, and kind of cleanse it for yourself. And there's a little book on how you cleanse the pendulum before you use it. Once you're done with the cleansing of the pendulum, you have to start talking to it to see how it's going to answer your questions. So it's important that you only ask yes and no questions. Don't ask, what is the sun going to be like? Where, what time will I meet the love of my life? It doesn't work that way. It's either yes or no. So in this case, my pendulums are attuned to my energy, right? And so I would ask, show me yes. I don't know if you can see it from there, but yes for me is clockwise. When it wants to tell me yes to something, it's going clockwise. Then I'll say, show me no. The direction changes, and then it's going to go for me counter. You can't see it there, but I'll bring it up a little bit. For me, it's going to show counterclockwise. That's how my pendulums tell me, don't do it, girl. And then I'm going to ask it, show me maybe.